Welcome back, traders. Today is January 2nd, 2025, and we're diving into the Forex market recap, highlighting key movements from today and what's ahead for January 3rd, 2025. Let's get started. The first trading day of the year has wrapped up, and we've seen some interesting moves across the major pairs. Let's take a closer look. Starting with Euro to US dollar, the pair remained steady through the early European session but dipped slightly during US trading hours, closing around 1.0630. With inflation data out of the Eurozone expected later this week, traders should brace for volatility. Technically, the 1.0600 support level seems to be holding firm, while the next resistance appears near 1.0680. Keep an eye on those zones tomorrow. Now on to pound sterling to US dollar. Cable slid below 1.2600 today, driven by weaker than expected UK PMI data. The pair's bearish momentum could carry into tomorrow if the dollar's strength persists. However, any hawkish remarks from the Bank of England could lead to a quick reversal. Key levels to watch: 1.2550 as support and 1.2650 as resistance. US dollar to Japanese yen saw significant movement today, climbing above 131.50 as safe haven demand for the yen declined. Japan's upcoming trade balance figures could stir the pot. A breach of 132.00 tomorrow might pave the way for further gains, but if the pair retraces, look for support around 130.80. Looking at the Australian dollar to US dollar remains under pressure amid concerns over China's sluggish economic data. The pair is trading near 0.6370, and further downside can't be ruled out. Watch for 0.6340 as the key support tomorrow. As for US dollar to Canadian dollar, oil prices played a crucial role today. With crude settling around $78 per barrel, the Canadian dollar managed to limit losses. The pair hovers near 1.3700. Tomorrow's employment figures from Canada could bring fresh direction. Emerging market currencies had a mixed day. The Turkish lira weakened further against the dollar, closing at 26.75, while the South African rand saw minor gains, thanks to improved local economic sentiment. If you're trading these currencies, keep geopolitical factors and upcoming data releases on your radar. Now let's talk about what's ahead for January 3rd. Here are the top events you can't afford to miss. US ADP employment report, scheduled for release in the morning. This report will give us a snapshot of private sector hiring trends. A strong reading could fuel dollar strength, while a weaker one might weigh on the greenback. FOMC meeting minutes. Traders will dissect these for clues on the Fed's next move. Will they pause rate hikes, or is another increase on the table? Crude oil inventories. With oil playing a big role in commodity currencies like CAD, this report could trigger significant moves in US dollar to Canadian dollar. Eurozone services PMI. Any surprises here could set the tone for Euro to US dollar trading. From a technical standpoint, here's a quick rundown. Euro to US dollar, bullish above 1.0680, bearish below 1.0600. Pound sterling to US dollar, keep a close eye on 1.2550 support. US dollar to Japanese yen, breakout above 132.00 could confirm further gains. Australian dollar to US dollar, watch for a test of 0.6340. For scalpers, the 1-hour charts are showing interesting setups, especially on US dollar to Japanese yen and pound sterling to US dollar. Be ready to adapt as the market moves. That wraps up today's Forex market analysis and tomorrow's forecast. Remember, traders, preparation is key. Mark your economic calendar, set your alerts, and trade smart. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for daily updates. Let's make 2025 a profitable year.